what we do.
Delegates from COMESA member countries are convening in Nairobi for a two-day leather value chain strategy workshop focused on reviewing and validating the COMESA regional leather value chain strategy for the 2025 to 2029 years. The workshop aims to outline the strategic objectives of the plan, which encompass improving access to finance, enhancing policy frameworks, promoting sustainable production practices, and boosting both inter-regional and global trade.
The key binding constraints that we've identified, which is undermining the growth of the sector, one is access to finance. So the first objective of this strategy speaks to how to improve access to finance for all value chain players, starting from slaughterhouses, hides and skins merchants, hides and skins processors, makers of footwear and leather goods, and also the trading of products across COMESA and across the world.
Livestock is a big resource. In Kenya, I think in the EAC, we are first in terms of the livestock herd, cattle especially. And yet, what we are doing in terms of value addition is very little. And because of that, too, the issues of the tanneries. Because again, tanning is a huge investment. It's one of the most expensive part in the value chain in terms of investment capital. And again, it's also a major pollutant. So and that's why you have heard about the Kenani Leather Park, which is an integrated leather park. And the idea for government is to have everybody working from the park, because there is that treatment of the waste is done centrally. There are go downs there. You can do the whole value chain and have finished products done there.
The Kiambu County government has raised a total of 4.6